Concert Help channel. Today's video will cover remote access with multiple monitors. It is a fairly straightforward process, so head on over to your active runs and go through the standard remote access process. If you'd like to review this process, feel free to check out the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Once you have connected, simply drag the Open Remote Access Session window between your monitors. Now, if you would like to connect using a remote desktop client, download the RDP file. And before connecting through your remote desktop client, open it in a text editor and change the multi-mon entry from 0 to 1. Save it, and you'll be able to access this session on another monitor. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features these videos and articles which cover similar topics, often in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links can be found in the video description or in the upper right-hand corner. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.